Imagine a role where you don't just build models, you architect entire AI systems, data, model, deployment, and production. A role so rare that companies beg for these people and pay the top price. In this video, I will introduce you to one of the most coveted careers in AI today, that is the full stack AI engineer. And you might realize this could be your next move. Hello, I am Akash Gupta. I simplify deep AI and ML concepts so you can see industry purpose, not just code. So today we are going beyond data scientist or ML engineer titles. We are stepping into the role of the full stack AI engineer. Why it is emerging now, what companies need, and how you can prepare for it, even if you are not yet in the job. So, the first thing is why the role is booming. Here is the reality: AI is no longer siloed. Companies don't just build models in notebooks, they need full systems, data pipelines, model training, APIs, model deployment, monitoring, updates. That is where specialists alone don't cut it. They need someone who understands end to end. According to market research, in 2025 Job Outlook, AI engineer postings emphasize end to end capabilities and cloud plus deployment skills. One Medium article states the rise of the full stack ML engineer. Companies are realizing the need for individuals who can manage every aspect of machine learning lifecycle. AI talent shortage around the world. Here, one report says there are about 500,000 open AI engineer roles globally in 2025, creating a massive demand supply gap. Now, why does this matter for you? Because this role gives you leverage, versatility plus production mindset that is equal to high value. And for companies, hiring one full stack engineer can cost far less than a whole team of specialists. What skills companies want? Now, what does a full stack AI engineer actually do? It is the union of multiple domains: data, model, deployment, cloud. Here are the key skills with the data which you can have to get into this role. First is machine learning and deep learning. You should know algorithms, frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch for ML and DL algorithms. Second is cloud and production systems. That is AWS, Azure, GCP, containerization, orchestration. Companies emphasize on these DevOps skills. Next is data engineering and pipelines. So here you will build data flows, pre-process, ETL, sometimes vector databases also. Next, deployment and MLOps, model serving, monitoring, APIs, because your model must run on the real systems. Then full stack mindset. Here you connect front end, data, back end. You understand product, not just code. Next, and but not the least, is soft skill and ownership. You will drive projects, coordinate between data scientists, DevOps, and product teams. When companies list AI engineer jobs now, they often want this entire palette, which is why full stack is becoming the norm right now. Now, who can target this role? This is not reserved for PhD kind of researchers only. In fact, data shows that in many AI roles today, skills are valued more than degrees. So if you have a strong coding foundation like Python and version control, some comfort with ML models and data pipelines, and willingness to learn cloud or deployment, then you can aim for this role. Whether you are a CS or non-CS student switching to AI, a data engineer or developer wanting to step into AI, or even a mechanical engineering background who is learning AI, yes, that is you. You have a clear path. What you need is a plan to build across these layers. Now, next, how you can prepare. So, here let us turn strategy into action. The first step for this role will be to learn basics of ML, maths, and statistics. I already talked about a 6-month roadmap for this in one of my videos. You can go and watch that and start your first step towards full stack AI engineer. Its link is in description. After following that roadmap, you can go with following steps. Step A, build a portfolio project which is end to end. Don't just train a model, deploy. For example, take an AI project, be it computer vision or an NLP, build the pipeline, deploy on cloud with an API or web app, monitor results that shows you are a full stack. Step B, master the toolkit like Python plus ML frameworks, Dockers, containers, and cloud services like AWS, SageMaker, or GCP. APIs and microservices, and the next is logging and monitoring. Step C will be work in layers. Start with data engineering, build model, wrap into API, build interface or UX, and each layer adds value and shows you as full stack. Step D, show business impact in your portfolio or resume. Mention reduce model latency by 40%, integrated model into CRM system, deployed chatbot for customer service, handling 10,000 requests daily. Companies hire full stack engineers because they solve real business problems, not just model accuracy. And the step E is be future proof because AI is evolving fast. Gen AI, agents, vector search, these are becoming production norms. Upskilling in these areas makes you even more valuable. So here is the truth. If you become a full stack AI engineer, you are not just another coder or data scientist. You are the person companies call when they need real system builders in AI. And in today's market, those people are extremely rare. So if you are aiming for a career that is future proof, adaptable, high impact, and highly paid, this could be it. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe on concepts of AI. I will keep sharing career strategies, technical guides, and real world AI paths you rarely find elsewhere. I will also upload a video for an advanced roadmap for AI ML, which will include most of these skills we talked about in this video. To start, you can watch my video on a roadmap to start with basics of ML. Your next move, decide today whether you will stay a niche coder or become a full stack AI engineer because the opportunities are there and someone is going to grab them. Will it be you?